Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Fine, thank you. So say loudly, I am fine, thank you. How you will say? Say loudly, I am fine, thank you. Good, very good. Okay, my dears. So, which lecture is this? Which period is this? This is English period. Which period is this? English period. And in which class you are? Say, in which class you are studying? How you will say? I am studying in class nursery. How you will say? I am studying in class nursery. Very good. Okay. Now, what is your school name? What is your school name? So, how you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. How you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Very good, my dears. Good, very good. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay. Today what? First we have some fun. After that we will start our class. Okay. What fun today we have? Okay. Today we will fly. Take out your wings like this. First to stand up all of you. Yes, my dear. Stand up all of you. Yes, very good. Now take out your wings. Take out your wings. Yes. And fly like this. Fly like butterfly. Yes. Fly like a bird. Very good. Yes. Up, down, up, down. Yes. Fly in the air. Up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Again, fly like a bird. Yes, do like this. Fly like a bird. Very good. Do you enjoy flying? Do you like to fly? Yes, very good. Yes, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. Now stop. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay, my dears, lovely kids, my sweet, sweet children, what we have learned in previous period in English? Yes, tell me. What we have learned? We have learned to write letter F. What we have learned? We have learned to write letter F. F for flower, F for fish, F for fan, F for flower, F for fish. Okay, then F for fan, F for fan. Then F for, tell me, do you remember anything? F for father, F for fairy, F for fox, F for fire. What is this? This is fire. Fire. F for fire. F for flag. F for flag. And then F for fly. You have seen a fly? Yes. F for fly. Okay. There are so many things from letter F. Okay. And we have learned to write letter F. How we are writing letter F? How we make letter F? First, standing line, sleeping line, and then sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter F. And how we will write in 4 lines? How we will write in 4 lines? 4 lines given in the book na, and how you write in 4 lines? How many dots? There are 2 dots on upper line, 1 dot on middle line, and last dot on base line. So we write like this: standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Okay, we write letter F like this. Okay, so today I have one. Today we will do exercise. What we will do? First we will do exercise related F. What we will do? We will do exercise related F. And after that we will do one activity. What we will do? We will do one activity. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready for this? Okay, so my dear little kids, now fold your hands and listen and look at the board and listen properly. Okay? Okay? Yes or not? Yes. So then say loudly na. Yes ma'am. What you will say? Yes ma'am. Okay. So look here. Look at the board, all of you. Where you have to look at the board. Okay. Okay. Now here first exercise. Circle the correct letter F. Circle the correct letter F. So which is right letter? We have to circle the letter which has correct formation. Which has correct formation. So first look on this letter. This letter F is there, but how we write letter F? Standing line, sleeping line, and then sleeping line. But it is not letter F. So we will circle it. No, we will not circle it because first it has sleeping line, and then standing line. So this letter is not correct. This letter is not correct. Okay, look at the next letter. It has standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay, so this is letter F. This is letter F. Yes. Then say loudly, na? Yes. Yes, ma'am. So what we will do? What we will do? We will circle the letter F. You have to use crayon. What you have to use? You have to use crayon to circle the letter. You have to use crayon to circle the letter. Okay, look here. Next letter. This is letter F. This is letter F. No. Yes. No. Because it is sleeping line, and then standing line. So this is letter F. No. This is not letter F. Okay. Now look at the next. Oh, it has sleeping line, and standing line. So this is letter F. Tell me, this is letter F? No. So we will not do any circle. What we will do? We will not do any circle. Okay, look at the next letter. This is letter F. No. Yes or no? No. Okay, sleeping line, and standing line. Oh, this is not letter F because letter F has standing line, sleeping line. Okay. Now look at the next letter. Look at the next letter. It is standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. So which letter is this? Letter F. So what we will do? We will circle the letter F with crayon. With crayons. You have to circle the letter F with crayons. How you will circle the letter? With crayons. Okay? Yes. Understand, my dear? Understand, my dears? Okay. What you have to do? You have to circle the correct letter. You have to circle the correct letter. Okay. Now look here. Now look here, my dears. What is this? This is a pot. In pot, water is there and some fish are there. In pot, some water is there and fishes are there. How many fish are there? Do you know how many fish are there? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish is there. Okay. In this, what you have to do? In this exercise, what you have to do? Color the letter F. In this exercise, the fish which have letter F, we have to color that fish. Okay. Look here. The fish on which letter F is written, we have to color that fish. Okay. Look here. Pot is there, water is there. Look at the first fish. Look at the first fish. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? H. So H for fish? No. H for fish is there? No. So you will color it? No. You will not do. You will not color the fish. Look at the next fish. Which letter is written? Which letter is written? Sleeping line, standing line. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. So T for fish? No. T for fish? No. So we will color it? No. We will not color it. Look at the next letter. Look at the next fish. Oh, which letter is this? Which letter is this? Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? L. L for fish? No. L for lion. Okay. So you will color the fish? Yes or no? Say loudly. No. Okay. Now look at the next fish. Oh, which letter is written on this fish? Yes, look at this fish and tell me which letter is written on the fish? Letter F. Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter F. And F for fish. F for fish. So what you will do? You will color the fish. You will color the fish. Very good. Very good, my sweet children. What you will do? You will color the fish. You will color the fish. Because F for fish. F for fish. Okay. What we have done? We have colored the fish which has F letter is written on the fish. On fish, F letter is written. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to color the fish which has F letter. Which has F letter. Okay. H for horse. Okay. T for tiger. L for lion. and F for fish. So what you will do? You will color the fish which has letter F. F written on the letter fish, and you will color the letter and color the fish. You will color the fish which has F. F letter is written on the fish. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will do one activity. What we will do? We will do one activity. Okay. What? F for flower. So, what you have to do? First, you have to draw a pot and stems. Okay. And this is a pencil. What is this? This is a pencil. You have to sharpen the pencil and you have to make a flower. What you have to do? You have to make a flower. What you have to do? Make a flower. Then what we will do? We will paste this flower on the board, on the flowers. Okay. Look here. Look here, all of you. Look here, flower. We have sharpened the pencil and made the flower. So F for flower. What you will do? You will stick the flower here. Okay, you will stick the flower here. So take a glue. What you have to do? You have to take a glue and you have to glue here. Okay, you have to place the glue here. Or you can use Fevicol also. Okay. What you can do? You can use Fevicol also. You have to do like this, Fevicol here, and then you have to paste this flower here. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, you have to draw the pot and you have to chop the pencil, and then the paste of pencil you have to paste there. Again we will chop the pencil and make flower. What we will make? Flower. Look here, it is so nice and cute now. Yes, so you have to do this in your notebook. You have to do this activity in your notebook. So, here also is the flower here also. Okay, like this. You have to paste the flower here. Okay. Again, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to 5 times chop the pencil and the waste of pencil. From the waste of pencil, we will make flower and paste it on the pot. So it will become a flower pot. F for flower. F for flower. Look here, all of you. F for flower. Yes, F for flower. It's looking good and nice. It's looking good and nice. Yes or no? Do you like? Do you like? Okay. How many flowers are remaining now? 2 flowers. Okay. 2 flowers. So we will paste it this also. Okay. Look here. Look here. The flower we are going to paste. Yes. What we have done? We have paste the stop pencil and we have made one flower pot. So F for flower. F for flower. Very good, my dear student. You are so sweet and nice. So this type you have to make this flower and you have to paste in your notebook. This type of activity you have to do and you have to do in your notebook, English notebook. Which notebook? In which notebook you will do? English notebook. Now look here, our flower is ready. Our flower is ready. Look here. Okay. Look here. Our flower is ready. Okay. In between this, you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color from crayons. What you have to do? You have to color it from crayons. Okay. You have to color this with crayons. Look here. Okay, you have to color this with crayons. So our flower pot is ready. Okay. F for flower. F for flowers. So this activity you have to do at your home. And this activity you have to do in your English notebook only, not in a page or anything. You have to do this activity in your English notebook only. So take a screenshot. If you want to take a shot, you can take a screenshot. Okay. And you have to both exercise you have to do in notebook and this activity also in your notebook. Okay, very good. So till then, bye. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.